Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today we are going to be teaching you how to make a VHS style in Clipchamp. If you don't know what it is, it's an editing software for Windows. So you press create a new video, and you go in and put your footage. So let me just do that. Okay, so now I have my footage, so you just drag it down in the timeline. Now this is where you want to figure out how to make that VHS style in your video. So what you do first is you go to filters and you scroll down for a filter you would like to do. Now make sure the colors look a little bit off, so then people can tell that it's not, well, you could use black and white if you want to. So then they know it's like old, so you have to put the colors off. They have to be off, so a little bit off. Like, let's say, make sure it looks off. Okay. Put that on the max, and then it looks a little bit too much. So if it, you know it's too much when you can't see the original colors it was supposed to be. Okay, that looks good. Now you want to go to effects, turn on the VHS filter, and just put as much as you want. You should probably put the green as a little bit with some intensity. You don't want to overdo it, you know. So there's that. Sometimes there's too much green. And then if you play it, we're just gonna mute this for now. Okay, over here. Okay, that looks good. Now, you're almost there to completing it. Now you have to have the color bleed by putting on this, the chromatic aberration. So do this, and then right here. So play it. It looks really good. It looks like VHS style. Okay. So we've done this. So you can put on any more effects if you want to, but it's not gonna look good if you do that. So, you know. And also you can adjust the colors if you want to. You don't have to, but you can just if you really just want to do that. Now the only thing we're missing is the text. Now you press the plus icon to put it in your timeline. But what you want to really do, okay, so what you want to do is press the zoom in button like a lot. Keep zooming in until it is about this size. So now what you want to do is you want to spread it all out on your video. It's all out in your video. So now you can zoom out. Put this big enough. Keep zooming out. Okay, there you go. Okay, now what you want to do, search up. So you want to search up an old school like font, or you can look through the whole entire catalog for one that you like. Creepster works. Most of them just work, but most I feel like the best is probably Impact, and it's just. And then what you want to do is you want to put date. To put the date, so you put the date. I'm gonna put date. Let's just say 2012 of December 16th. Put something like this. Now what you want to do now is you go to effects, and usually nothing happens to this, but since it looks a little bit bland, you want to put more stuff on it. And now it should look great. Okay. And if you don't like this effect, then what you want to do is take off this, and then you should have something good. Okay, there you go. Now you have the VHS effect here. And that's the best you can do in Clipchamp. So, that is it for this video. See you guys in the next one. And peace. Before I go, most of you are not subscribed, so do that please. Thank you. And to export, you can change the name. So what you want to do is, put in your name, and then you press export and pick a quality you want. And we're doing this all in the free version, so we can't pick 4K, but anything else is good. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.